Welcome to this easy step-by-step guide on how to create a Gmail account without using a phone number. Let's get started. You might be wondering why someone would want to create a Gmail account without a phone number. There are many reasons, such as privacy concerns or simply wanting a fresh start without linking personal data. First, visit the Gmail sign-up page. You can find this by typing Gmail sign-up into your search engine. Now, fill out the required information such as your name, chosen email address, and a secure password. When prompted for your phone number, look for the option to skip this step. It's right there for your convenience. Here's an optional step: you can enter a recovery email. This helps in recovering your account if you ever forget your password. Next, provide necessary personal information like your birth date and gender. This can help personalize your experience. Please read and agree to Google's terms and conditions. Make sure you understand what you're agreeing to. Finally, complete the setup and finalize your account creation. You're almost there. To recap, we've walked through creating a Gmail account without a phone number. Remember, this method can enhance your privacy. Happy emailing!